Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Qiagen uh, QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus QFT-Plus blood collection tubes. So as you can see, this is the top view of the kit and this is the front view of the kit. You can see it is manufactured by Qiagen and it is quality checked by Collagen. You can see the sticker over here, and then on the top you can see this is from Qiagen, and you can see the QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus blood collection tubes. You can see all the other uses here for detection of tuberculosis infection. You can see those other details over here. Let me show you the sides. Yeah, so as you can see, can have the expiry date over here. It has a standard 6 months of expiry. You can see it is manufactured in the United States. So these are these details. Yeah, on the back you can see the other details as well. It contains the following: the TB1 tubes, TB tubes, the nil tubes, the mitogen tubes. You can see this is the 50 test pack with around 200 tubes present. This is product of Austria. You can see it here. It's 50 test pack. So let me show you the other side. So this is the other side. So guys, let me open this for you. So guys, as you can see, on the top we can find a small leaflet. Let me open and see what is this leaflet. You can see, this is the sample insight leaflet. This is the sample inside leaflet. You can find the different languages present. You can see this is from Qiagen, and you can see the different languages present in this thing, sample insight. It's the same over the other side also. So let me keep this aside. Yeah, let me keep this here. Then we have the instructions for use, the IFU instructions for use. You can see it here, Qiagen instructions for use for the following pack size. You can see all these details here. See it here. This is the package instructions for use. See it here. So let me set this thing here for you. We have this, then we have the multi-language answer, and then we have the blood collection tubes. So these are the blood collection tubes, 50 of each. So you can see this is the mitogen tube. You can see the reference number here, the expiry date here. This is the mitogen tube, and then we have the TB TB2 tubes. You can see it here. This is a 50-piece TB tube. Then we have the mitogen tube, and then we have the nil tube. You can see the 50 nil tubes, and then we have the TB1 tube. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Qiagen QuantiFERON-TB Gold blood collection tubes. You can see we have the TB1 tube, then we have the TB2 tube, then we have the mitogen tube, then we have the nil tube, and with it comes a multi-language sample insight. Then we have the blood collection instructions for use, then the box which comes with it. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the QuantiFERON-TB blood collection tube. Thank you.